Every year, Samsung brings a new batch of smartwatches, or else how would it get your attention? This year, it has bought the Watch 6, and there are two of them, the Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic. On paper, there are not many upgrades, but a few tiny changes have been made, like a bigger, brighter display, a new chipset, and a bigger battery, among others. Samsung smartwatches have been the go-to recommendation for folks with Android phones, but the question is whether the new smartwatches are worth their price tag. Or should you upgrade if you already have been an older Galaxy Watch? If you want to know about the Watch 6 Classic, give this review a watch, and if you planning to buy the Watch 6, this is for you. We spent few weeks wearing the Galaxy Watch 6 and this is how it went for us. The Galaxy Watch 6 looks almost identical to its two predecessors without the screen on. It features a minimal design, two buttons and sensor contacts for measuring ECG and PMI. The watch has flat sides made out of stainless steel that matches perfectly with the completely flat touchscreen in the black color, and then they gently curve down to the lugs to avoid protruding too much. The stock Sport T buckle band is better than before, but if you have a smaller wrist, you might still want to replace it with a band that has a flat lug edge. The 44mm Galaxy Watch 6 comes in gold and graphite, and the 44mm model comes in silver and graphite. The buttons on the Watch 6 are to navigate through the interface, pause your workouts, or manually switch off the watch by holding the upper button. However, these buttons cannot be used for scrolling up and down, so you still circle around the touchscreen to cycle through the screens. It is intuitive but can sometimes be frustrating, especially if you are using to the rotating bezel on the older Galaxy watches, which are still there on the new Classic. With the Galaxy Watch 6, Samsung has changed the way to replace these straps. Unlike traditional watch straps that require a small lever to retract an integrated spring pin, the new design, called One Click, features a large button on the upper side of the strap that can be easily pressed for multiple seconds to release or attach a band to the watch. Undoubtedly, this new strap design is the best thing about the new watches and is a simple and effective solution to a common problem. This watch has an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance, so that you can take it to the shower with you, and it also has a 5 ATM rating, so you can swim it as it tracks your laps. The Watch 6 features a bigger and better display than its predecessors. The screen size has increased from 1.19 inches to 1.3 inches with a resolution of 432 into 432 pixels, having a better user experience while typing, viewing image, reading notifications, and interacting with apps. So that's for today in this video. Thanks for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.